How to withdraw money from Scalable Capital. Follow my instructions. If you're ready to take profits or need quick access to funds, withdrawing from Scalable Capital is simple and secure. Let me show you the exact steps. First, open the Scalable Capital app and log in. Tap on the menu or go to the Profile tab. Then select Payouts or Withdraw Funds. Choose the bank account you linked when signing up. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw, partial or full. Confirm the withdrawal request by tapping Submit. Most withdrawals are processed within 1 to 2 business days, but larger amounts may take slightly longer due to security checks. You'll get a confirmation email once your request is approved. Make sure your bank details are correct to avoid delays. Also check your available balance. Pending orders must settle first. If funds are tied in open positions, sell them first. To sell, go to Portfolio, select your investment, and tap Sell. Once the sale settles, usually 2 trading days, your funds are ready. Now you can withdraw without issues. That's how you withdraw money from Scalable Capital. Thanks for watching.